We become what we repeatedly tell ourselves. Whatever we say ourselves, our subconscious mind accepts it, and then acts accordingly. Whatever we think of ourselves is called affirmation. Affirmation. Most powerful tool to change yourself. Nothing in this whole world better than affirmation to control your mind. These affirmations can change your whole life. This videos will be the most life-changing video of the entire channel. Because what I'm going to tell you, if you do it every 21 days, so that it will change your life completely. You will be happier. Your mindset will have completely changed. There will be a change in your behavior and attitude. The depression, anxiety, and negativity inside you will decrease. Note today's date and 21 days after today. And see the difference in yourself in these 21 days. I have some demands. You could repeat the affirmations after me. I just imagine them yourself, but do it with a peaceful mind. Whatever we are about to say to ourselves, imagine them, feel them. For example, if I say I am happy, then feel the happiness, see yourself happy. And if you repeatedly keep on saying that, you are happy, your subconscious mind will accept that you're happy. And in a few days, your subconscious mind will be reprogrammed, and it will actually believe that you are happy. There are a lot of research on affirmations. If you wish, you could Google it. There are a lot of videos on YouTube without information, but some of them are in English and some of them are in Hindi. And in them such words are used which we don't use regularly. And so I created this affirmation in a very simple language. So let's begin the affirmations. But before, take 2, 3 deep breaths. Every breath inside me is boasting my confidence, and each outgoing breath and my flushing all the negativity. I thank that God who gave me this day, because of which I am able to breathe. I am grateful that I have eyes, through which I could see this beautiful world, such beautiful people, such beautiful nature, such beautiful ecosystem, and such beautiful world. I thank that God who gave me the ability to move. There are a lot of people who are handicapped, but I am grateful I am well. I thank God with all my heart. Whatever is happening to me is for my good. I welcome this day, and I will make this day one of the best day of my life. I am very happy with my life. I am enjoying my life to fullest. I only think positively. I exercise daily, so I will be full of energy daily. I have a lot of energy inside me, and I use this energy for good work. I am a champion, intentionally or unintentionally, if anyone did anything wrong with me. So today I forgive them all. I am very intelligent. I do everything with all my heart, and believe in me.
I am a very hard-working person. I love working. I can do everything. God is always with me. I pray to my mother and father who gave me this life. Today I will read something good, will hear something good, and see something good. Because to achieve my goal I will do everything. Mind is completely stable. I have a lot of energy in myself. I love my life and myself. I love the person whom I see every day in the mirror. I am very motivated. Today I will do something that I haven't done yet. In stressful situations I am very calm. In my life I never get angry or tensioned. I am a happy and good person. I am good with everyone. There's always a sweet smile on my face, and my face's glow is increasing day by day. My future will be very bright. I am going to be very rich. I spread love and happiness. I am learning from my mistakes. My everyday is a gift. Who is taking me close to my goal? I am an attractive person and is honest. I am like a magnet which only attracts good things. I believe that whatever I am doing is correct. And whatever I am doing, the universe is with me. I am unique in this whole world. No matter how was the situation is, my focus is only on positive things. I am ready to achieve my goal. I am a very respected person in the society. I respect everyone. In my life, I want to learn many things. Very soon all my dreams will come true. Whatever was going to happen, happened. Now my focus is only on what is going to happen and what is happening. I fully active and aware. There is no one like me. I am strong and independent. I am physically and mentally very strong. Friends, these were some affirmations which I prepared for you with a lot of efforts. Remember, this is a 21 days challenge. Practice affirmations daily, or you can listen to them seeing this video. I hope to God that you achieve peace, health and wealth. Your life fills with health, wealth and happiness. In coming times on this channel we will upload more such life-changing video. So subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you can get notifications of upcoming videos.